All right, notes on small intestine and large intestine. So, as far as your small intestine, it has three parts. You have the duodenum, this is C shaped. You have the jejunum, which is in the middle. The diameter is bigger here and it's more muscular. Ileum is the smaller one as far as diameter, it's the last part. The mesentery, it holds the small intestine in place. You have the greater omentum, it lies over the small intestine. And then there's numerous villi that increase the surface area. The digestive enzymes are listed here. You don't need to know all those, but absorption is the main role of the small intestine. Helps absorb carbs. Digestion starts in the mouth, and it's absorbed in the small intestine. Protein digestion begins in the stomach, and it's also absorbed in the small intestine. And then lipids and fats, they start and absorb in the small intestine. And we're not going to go through the different movements, but if you want to read through that, you can. Here is just kind of a bigger picture of the small intestine. And if we took a little piece out of it and blew it up, this is what it would look like. You won't be quizzed over this particular diagram. Okay, the large intestine, you have the cecum, and this is like a pouch. It's a bag-like, it receives the contents of the small intestine. The appendix is part of this. There's no known digestive function. It contains limp tissue. A lot of people have to get it removed because of flare-ups or a burst or something like that. We have the colon. You have ascending, transverse, descending, and sigmoid. You have the rectum, which is the end of the colon, and the anus. As far as the functions of the large intestine, it only absorbs water and electrolytes. Normal flora or bacteria, they live in the large intestine and help break down things into different vitamins like vitamin K and B12 that we absorb. You can look through the movements like defecation reflex and stuff like that. And here is a picture of that. I want you guys to fill this out. You guys will have a large intestine quiz. So this diagram will be in your notes and that you should look at and study. And one more slide. Lifespan changes as far as digestion. Our teeth become more sensitive as we age. Our gums recede. Teeth may loosen or fall out. You may have more frequent heartburn and constipation, and our nutrient absorption decreases. And then our accessory organs age, but the effects are less noticeable. So those all happen when you age. Sounds fun.